Looking to elevate your gaming experience to the next level? A powerful gaming PC is your ultimate gateway to immersive graphics, lightning-fast performance, and seamless gameplay. Whether you're diving into expansive open-world adventures, battling it out in fast-paced multiplayer matches, or exploring the latest 8AA titles, a dedicated gaming PC delivers unparalleled performance and customization options to meet your exact needs. From stunning 4K visuals and high refresh rates to advanced cooling systems and upgrade potential, the right gaming PC ensures you stay ahead of the competition while enjoying every detail of your favorite games. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 best gaming PCs currently dominating the market, catering to every type of gamer, from beginners to hardcore enthusiasts. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup or make the leap into PC gaming, stick around, because your perfect gaming rig might just be on this list. For more such content, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have MSI Codex R2, Best Budget. The MSI Codex R2 gaming PC is an exceptional choice for gamers seeking a budget-friendly, yet powerful machine. It features a sleek mid-tower design with vibrant RGB lighting and ample airflow, which is perfect for gaming enthusiasts. The inclusion of a 14th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM ensures smooth performance for 1080p and even 1440p gaming. Its sturdy, easy-to-access case allows for future upgrades, while integrated Wi-Fi 7 ensures ultra-fast connectivity. The Codex R2 excels in handling popular games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Baldur's Gate 3, delivering impressive frame rates with adjustable settings. Though its SSD speed is relatively slower, it does not significantly impact day-to-day performance. With its striking design, user-friendly features, and reliable performance, the MSI Codex R2 is a fantastic entry-level PC for gamers ready to dive into high-quality gaming experiences without overspending. At number 4, we have Alienware Aurora R16, Best Value. The Alienware Aurora R16 redefines the gaming PC with its sleek, minimalist design and outstanding performance. Featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, this mid-tower powerhouse excels in delivering smooth gameplay at 1440p and even light 4K gaming. The enhanced cooling system ensures whisper-quiet operation, even during intense gaming sessions. Its compact form factor is a space saver without sacrificing functionality, boasting easy access to internal components and ample ports, including USB-C and multiple display outputs. The inclusion of customizable RGB lighting and an intuitive Alienware Command Center app allows users to personalize their setup effortlessly. Although its proprietary design may limit some upgrades, the Aurora R16's clean interior and efficient cable management make it a joy for initial configurations. Perfect for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals, this desktop offers a stellar blend of power, aesthetics, and innovation, setting a new standard for mid-range gaming rigs. At number 3, we have iBuyPower Y60, Best Mid-Range. The iBuyPower Y60 is a stunning and high-performing gaming PC, perfect for those who value aesthetics and functionality. Housed in the striking Height Y60 mid-tower case, it offers a unique fish tank-style view of its powerful internals through tempered glass panels, making it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1270KF processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070Ti GPU, and 16 GB of RAM, this rig handles 1080p gaming flawlessly and delivers decent 4K performance. Its spacious interior and easily removable panels ensure effortless upgrades and maintenance, while a generous array of ports accommodates all your connectivity needs. The Y60 impresses not just in performance, but also in practicality, staying relatively quiet even during intense gaming sessions. While it can get warm under load, additional cooling solutions can easily address this. For gamers seeking a visually captivating and powerful desktop, the iBuyPower Y60 delivers an exceptional balance of style, performance, and upgradability. At number 2, we have Corsair One i500. Best Compact. The Corsair One i500 is a powerhouse that redefines compact gaming desktops with its exquisite design and exceptional performance. Encased in a sleek, modern chassis with real wood paneling and subtle RGB accents, it combines elegance with cutting-edge technology. Powered by a 14th Gen Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, this machine delivers unmatched gaming and content creation performance, even rivaling larger systems. Its liquid cooling system ensures quiet and efficient operation, keeping the hardware cool during demanding tasks. The thoughtful design extends to upgradability, with user-friendly access to components, though GPU upgrades are best handled by Corsair. The backlit I/O panel adds a practical touch, making cable management effortless. While the price tag is premium, the One i500 justifies it with superior build quality, minimal bloatware, and meticulous engineering. Ideal for those seeking a compact yet high-performance PC, the Corsair One i500 is a benchmark in its class. Finally, at number 1, we have Corsair Vengeance i7500 Best Overall. The Corsair Vengeance i7500 stands out as a powerhouse gaming PC with exceptional build quality and top-tier performance. Housed in the sleek Vengeance 4000D mid-tower case, it features excellent airflow and RGB fans for customizable aesthetics. Powered by the latest Intel Core i9-149K CPU and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, this desktop effortlessly delivers 4K gaming at ultra settings, achieving smooth frame rates in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Valhalla. This system excels in multitasking, equipped with 64GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB PCIe SSD, making it a capable workstation alongside its gaming prowess. Corsair's cable management ensures a tidy interior, while quiet fans and liquid cooling maintain peak performance without excessive noise. Though premium priced, it competes well with similar high-end models, offering a superior 2-year warranty. The Vengeance i7500 is a reliable, future-proof choice for enthusiasts who value performance, design, and uncompromising quality. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.